Hello, and welcome to our commercial solar series. In today's video, we're going to cover the difference between commercial solar incentives and commercial solar benefits. They often get confused with one another and they do interchange or overlap a little bit, but the basics, one is an incentive, which means you get something for taking a behavior, right? So you could say that there is that can also double as a benefit, but the incentive is something that you get for, in this case, incorporating commercial solar into your business or commercial real estate property. Obviously, you're going to get that 30% ITC investment tax credit. You may be available for another 10 to 20% in tax credits, domestic tax credit, as well as low income area tax credits. You also have a project that's sales tax exempt. So that's something important to know, that when you purchase products and then you think you're purchasing at one price and they come and they're adding that 6, 7, 8%, whatever that the tax rate is, the sales tax exempt. It's also property tax exempt. And these projects will actually increase the value of your asset, but it is not going to come with an increased property tax association with it. And then in certain states, there are other state incentives like SRECs and things of that nature, but they vary by state and they're not available in all states. So those are incentives, things that you will actually get for going solar. But then the solar benefit is really what it does for you. Like a benefit would be to reduce or eliminate your power bill. Like that's a benefit. It converts an expense into an asset. Again, like I said, it's going to increase the value of your asset. And you're really changing a variable expense, an expense. The power company raises their rates every year. So you're going to convert that into an actual asset. It's a pretty neat thing to be able to do. The only other thing that really does that are real estate type of investments. You're also going to convert solar savings into cash profits. And there is one specific strategy that does that, and I reveal that in a later video. And I'll put that link to that video in the description. You're also able, to reduce carbon emissions if you do have a plan that you want to be carbon neutral. You'll also have the earth will thank you. In addition to that, it actually improves brands. I have another video where we look at the top 20 companies or brands that have incorporated solar. I'll include that link in the description as well. And that's a pretty neat look. So you can get an idea of the kind of companies that have already made huge investments into the space. And there's actually 3 on there that'll probably be really surprising to you. Thanks. You could like and subscribe so that you could be alerted for any of our new material that we're putting out.